So hello guys and welcome to my channel. So if you are watching this video, which means your Chrome browser is definitely giving you a lot of trouble. So if you are someone having 8 GB RAM or less than that, and you have a gaming laptop or gaming PC which you just bought from the market, so by default you have just 8 GB of RAM, and you just install Chrome browser, and you are after shutting down the Chrome browser, the amount of free RAM you have is very less. Even though you have 8 GB RAM, at least 40 to 50% of your RAM is already consumed by some other hardware or softwares, and you don't know how to figure out where the RAM is going or which software is consuming all your RAM. So in this video, I will be explaining you why your Google Chrome browser is consuming a lot of RAM. So for this video purpose, I will be using two browsers, which is Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. So let's see where the RAM is consumed by the Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, both the browsers open. So let's see the task manager. So in this task manager, you can see Google Chrome is consuming at least 700 MB of RAM, while Microsoft Edge is consuming only 450 500 MB of RAM. You can see it is slightly increasing a lot. Now why is Google Chrome is using a lot of RAM? So let's see. You can see a lot of these are. Now what are these, all of these Google Chrome? These are nothing but your extensions or any plugins that you install in a Google Chrome browser. So let's see why, what are these extensions. So go to your Google Chrome, click on these three dots, click on more tools, click on task manager. Now you can see which process are consuming your memory. So this memory footprint is nothing but the amount of RAM is consumed by each process. So you can see GPU process, network service, storage service, audio service. Now most of the RAM will be consumed by your extensions. So if you are not using any of this extension, you can definitely disable it or delete the extensions. You can click on these three dots again, click on more tools and go to extensions. You can see I have at least 8 extensions, and I am using all of these extensions, and I don't want to remove any of these. So let's say we just close the browser. So now I have closed the Google Chrome browser. Still 76% of my memory is consumed. You can see Google Chrome is still open here. So even after shutting down the Google Chrome, why it is still in consuming RAM? So let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Google Chrome, click on these three dots, click on settings. Now in the settings, click on advanced. In the advanced, click on system. Now the first option says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So what happens when you close the browser? Even after closing down or shutting down the browser, all your extensions or all the process are still running and consuming all your RAM. So first of all, disable this. There is no reason to turn this on, so just disable it. You can also disable hardware acceleration, but you will see a lot of decrease in your browsing, or especially if you are surfing on YouTube, you will see a lot of buffering. So don't change anything here. So now let's see. I have closed, and you can see all the Chrome browser has been shut down from the task manager. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share the video. Now click on run command and type %app data %. Now go to the Google folder. In that you will see a lot of data will be stored. Now you can clear this cache or data of the Google Chrome browser. Now click the task manager. Okay, if this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching our video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And this video has helped you in any way, please share the video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.